You guys, I am speechless. This is wild. Like, I cannot describe it any other way. Honestly, I will never stop being shocked at how fast your reality can shift when you do the deep inner work and keep believing in your own worth. So, you know that I've been deep in creation mode. I got the download to create this new program. It's a 7-day challenge called Quantum Alignment. And basically, this challenge helps you activate your future self and start manifesting from the quantum field. And of course, I've been learning a lot from Joe Dispenza, but I wanted to create something that was my own, like blending timeline and reality shifting with deep inner work and especially EFT tapping. Okay. Well, I was doing the work along with you. I was doing the visualizations, connecting to the quantum field. I'm doing the crazy transformative tapping inside this program. I'm doing the journaling. Like, I'm literally shifting and moving so much. I'm deleting beliefs from my brain and my energy field. And while I was doing this, I manifested something so crazy. I'm finally going to my first Joe Dispenza retreat in Los Angeles, the progressive retreat, in 2 weeks. I'm so excited. You don't understand. People usually plan these things for months, and I feel like I energetically have been, but it only came through in my reality today. And I need you to listen to the story, okay? I need this to activate you because I'm not sharing this to brag or to show off. I'm sharing this to prove to you that if I can do it, you can do it too. There's no difference between you and I promise you. I'm just someone who continues to do the work and persists in my desires. So back in January, my friend and I were talking about manifesting this retreat. I told her that I'm going to embody my future self in this moment and I'm going to act like I'm already there. I sent her this message. And I even drew like a little stick figure of me, being at the event as a joke. But I could see myself there. I could feel the expansion. I just knew that it was happening. But in reality, everything was the opposite. All the tickets were sold out. And I wanted to specifically go for the one in Los Angeles because I have family there. So accommodation would be free. And the place is like, less than 15 minutes away from my cousin's house. So I knew I would be able to go to any retreat. But I wanted to specifically go to the one in LA. The only dates for LA in 2025 was January 9th. I couldn't go during those days because I had to be in the Maldives for some work. So that was out of the question. Tickets were also all sold out and they were not taking any more wait list because they said it was too many people. So again, I was kind of sad, but at the same time, I just knew that it was all going to be okay. Whatever happens, I was going to be fine and I was, going to make it to his retreat in LA. I don't know how, but I just trusted, okay? And when the LA fires happened, the January dates had to be rescheduled. So at this point, I just knew that he did it for me. I knew he did it for me. I knew that Joe Dispenza wanted me to be there at his retreat in Los Angeles. Whatever it is, just let me live in my delusional world, okay? So that retreat got rescheduled to March. But again, they said only previous waitlist members were getting first dibs. Once again, I had no sign, no proof, no logical way that I was getting in. And I feel like at this point, usually people give up. They let their circumstances tell them what's possible. But I did the opposite. Honestly, I did the exact formula that I share inside the Quantum Alignment Challenge, but basically I stopped checking the 3D. I stopped waiting for proof. I locked in the vision and moved as if it was already mine. I told myself, I'm getting in. I'm seeing him in LA in March. I don't know how. I don't know how that ticket will show up, but it will. And then this is the most important part, okay? I lived my life and I forgot about it. I let it go. And this morning, I find out that tickets were available. And not because I was notified, I just had the urge to check. I don't know what it was, but it was like a deep knowing where I was like, you know what? I'm just going to check if tickets are available now. All right. And I mean, the retreat is like 2 weeks away. So I'm still not sure what made me check, but I did. I think it's my future self. And guess what happened next? So much fear and so much doubt crept in. I thought to myself, do I really need to do this? I mean, it's only 2 weeks away. Like, I don't even have time to prepare. I could use this money for other things. LA is so far. I'm in Indonesia and I don't really need this. But then I remembered the version of me who already had this opportunity wouldn't overthink this. She would say yes and just trust that the details would work themselves out. So I decided to act as her. I booked my retreat ticket. And then, this is the crazy part, when I wanted to book my flight, I realized and completely forgot that I had flight miles from like 2023 that I hadn't checked. And I've been meaning to use it. I just didn't know where. So now my flight to LA is like a quarter of the price, and it doesn't make sense. It's so cheap. I was shocked. Like, you can't make this up. The moment I moved, the universe moved. And yes, those miles have always been there, but I didn't even think about it until I showed up as my future self, as my higher self. It was revealed to me. That's when I started to see opportunities and possibilities everywhere. And I'm sharing this because this is how manifestation actually works. Most people sit around waiting for proof before they take action. But the quantum field does not work like that. You don't wait for the opportunity. You become the version of you who already has it all. You move first, and then the reality will shift to match you. You don't have to wait for proof. You are the proof. The fact that you exist and you have free will to make decisions and choices that could change your life in a second is the proof. Stop waiting for life to change. It won't just magically change by itself. You have to change. You have to move before your reality can move. And again, this is what we do inside Quantum Alignment. In just 7 days, I know I'm so confident you will move this way, the way that I did, because you will learn to tap into deep trust, deep faith, deep knowing that everything is unfolding for you. This is how you quantum jump, quantum leap. So if you're tired of waiting, hoping, and wishing, and you're ready to start collapsing timelines now, come join us. And let's do this together. Let's evolve together. 2025 is not the year to play small. This is the year that you get everything that you desire. So I'm really excited to go to my first retreat. It's the Progressive Retreat. It's 3 days, and I cannot wait to share everything with all of you. If you have any content that you want to see from the retreat, or like what you would like me to share, let me know, because I'm going to take that into consideration. So thank you so much. Oh my God, I can't believe it, because I've been sharing my journey with Joe Dispenza meditations for a year now, and you know that I've been wanting to go for a retreat. And I mean, I could have gone to any retreat, but I specifically wanted LA. So the fact that it got rescheduled, I'm like, I just know it. Circumstances don't matter. I did this. So come and follow me if you want to come along for the ride. And yeah, you can ask me any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.